So I've wanted a crock pot for so long now, but I'm one of those people where I don't like buying stuff until I feel like it's at the price that I want to pay for it. So finally found it at a decent price. So I got it. So come open my crock pot with me. Actually, I think this one was like sold as open box. Yeah, it was already sold as open box. So that's why I got it for the price that we got it for. My sister got it for me in auction. So this is the 6 quart. 6 quart Instapot. I don't think calling it a crock pot. At this point, it's a pressure cooker because that's what I want it for. My new pressure cooker. So now when I come to 2 pieces, I can pressure everything. I'm making turkey necks for dinner today. So that's why I decided to open it today. So the manual, the cord. Oh, I know this looks so. Got this use. Go check it out. Probably that's why they use me in my open box. Okay, well, I'm gonna wash it. Deal with it nice. Yeah. Pressure, saute rice. Oh, I can cook rice as well. Slow cook, so whenever I want to make my chili. Steam egg. What? Okay. Alright, we're gonna make this work. Seal and vent. Okay. Alright. Stay tuned for more updates.